Hello again, guys. If you make to part 4, congratulations. And in this lesson, mostly we talk about motivation and how to become successful modeler. Well, I cannot call myself professional or the king of 3D modeling. Of course, it takes years of practice and discovering things yourself. And these tutorials that you see online, I consider that as a kickstart. So in previous videos, I have teach you how to move lines, points and surfaces. That's why this part we're going to consider as a homework. Because bunch of you seems to think that within a couple months you'll get it. And when I was learning Fusion, I was practicing a lot of hours a day until now. Nothing is easy in life, and everything takes a lot of hard work. A lot of you guys still tend to want something and then you just give up real quick. This is like a guide to help you guys learn better and hopefully inspire you to work harder. Just because you follow step-by-step tutorial, that doesn't really mean anything. You need to figure out how to model on your own. If you never model a car, your first car will be like shit. And it should be like that. Everyone must go through this stage. Well, anyway, if you're stuck somewhere or if you don't know how do I get to the actual result, please don't be shy to ask me in the comments. And I will make separate detailed video and explain clearly how I reach those results.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, 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 who you're going to be.
We go forever now. much you said, yeah. You wish that you can do better, no, won't let her, we go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You wish that you can do better, you wish that you can do better, yeah. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the chatter. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned up to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You wish that you can do better, no, won't let her, we go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You wish that you can do better, you wish that you can do better, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Wap, straight E. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You wish that you can do better, no, won't let her, we go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You wish that you can do better, you wish that you can do better, yeah. We go forever and ever, yeah. You know that I'm much sadder, yeah. You wish that you can do better, no, won't let her, we go forever and ever, yeah. I go and create the pressure, yeah. You wish that you can do better, you wish that you can do better.